I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a weekend in my life while I'm here in the Virgin Islands. Today is Saturday. It is about 10:42 and I'm on my way to run some errands. I'm gonna go to my seamstress so she could take in some clothes for me, and I'm gonna go pick up some shoes that I was getting repaired, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I think I'm gonna go to the beach today because it's a beautiful day and I haven't been to the beach since I got here, and I've been out of quarantine for a whole week, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. Oh, by the way, if you are new here, my name is Robin. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. If you are not, make sure you are subscribed. Hit the little subscribe button. But yeah, I'm just in the car drinking my smoothie. Another vlog starting in the car. What's new? I think this is a norm for me. But anyways, let us go. You guys are in for a treat today because I have absolutely nothing to do, really. I am back, you guys, and I don't know if you can hear the ocean in the background. Also, somebody is mowing their lawn, so you might be hearing a weed whacker as well, or a lawnmower. But I have made it to the beach. It is a beautiful day. I just found a nice little tree to sit under. I brought myself a little sheet and I am just gonna sit out here and relax. I was supposed to go with my sister, but she ditched me. Well, she said she was gonna take a nap and then I was supposed to wake her up so we could go to the beach. I went to wake her up and she was like, I don't want to go. So I was like, I'm still gonna go by myself. That's okay, you know. So I brought some fruits, some water, I brought a book, and I'm just gonna soak some sun up and read a little bit and take a few dips in the water because it's so peaceful. Let me show you guys. But this is my little setup. Got my little beach hat, a little scarf, some fruits, and this is my view. I live about 2 minutes from the beach, so this was just an easy drive down the hill. The book that I am reading is the Relationship Goals book by Michael Todd. I'm gonna finish reading this, and yeah, I'm just gonna relax. YouTube, this is my sister. She's making her big debut. Tell the folks what you're making.
I am making a, I guess, grain-free. Oh wait, no, that's that again.
Okay. Tell the folks what you're making.
I'm making a flourless waffle. So it's basically just replacing the flour with oatmeal and cassava flour. And I'm gonna put some almond butter and bananas and some nuts and some pumpkin seeds and all of that good stuff on top.
Can I just have mine plain?
Sure. And then and then I'm gonna make some eggs with it.
And bacon?
No bacon, just eggs.
So why the bacon out? Dun dun dun.
Totally bacon.
This is our breakfast. We have some healthy waffles, some eggs, and bacon, and a nice little view. Say hi to the vlog. You went?
Oh, I was taking a picture.
No, it was a video. million of me looking like a crazy person, but as you can see, I'm sweating to death and I just took my braids out. I'm actually coming to cut a piece of aloe vera straight from our garden to put in my hair for a deep condition. But I wanted to pop on hair real quick. Let me put the knife down and say happy Sunday, you guys. Let's just prop you guys right here. I don't need a big piece, just a little piece. I feel like that's not gonna be enough. Alright. There we go. There we go. Got aloe vera. Okay guys, I'm back. I washed my hair. Terrible person, didn't show you guys what I put in it, but that's okay. I'm gonna be doing a updated wash and go on my channel soon. Sisters in the back, say hey.
Hola.
We're just going out to get some lunch. This is my outfit. Just this little black dress from Fashion Nova. Got the Nike Air Force Ones and this little cute brown bag. So I will bring you guys with me. Okay guys, surprise, surprise. Where am I? I'm in the car. What is new? Welcome to another car vlog. I'm just kidding. But I showed you guys my outfit. My hair is still a little bit wet. I tried to dry it, but I couldn't wait long enough. Just did a little summer glowy makeup. I should have filmed this for you guys, but I actually think I'm gonna make a separate video and film it tomorrow. It's a no foundation summer glowy makeup, because you know sometimes you want to wear makeup but the summer just, she's not having it. So this is a nice makeup look with no powder, no foundation. So anyways, gonna go. We'll talk to you later. Okay, I'm back. We went for tacos and we have tamarind margaritas.
Tamarind mojitos.
Oh, that's why I was like, what alcohol in this?
Bacardi rum.
Barely.
I like something, right? That's different.
We talked about this serial killer behavior.
I don't need to search any photo.
My hair shrunk up when it dried. I didn't have a chance to stretch it because we was on a time crunch. Well, not really.
It's closed.
Who's closed?
Coco Maya.
You sure Bacardi rum in this?
I could feel it. It's closed. They only open on the weekend.
Look at that. Ears.
They have a nice place to eat.
Coco Maya.
Coco Maya closed too.
So wherever Sunshine, wherever closed.
Sugarcane and Coco Maya closed. The two nice places to get there.
Ain't got nowhere else on VG?
You can get normal food, but it's not like nice restaurant.
Ain't got no other restaurant on Virgin Gorda. We just got our food. I have a chicken burrito.
Should I open that?
You have a fish burrito. And we have some chips and salsa. Ooh, looks good with the queso on the side. Looks good.